good afternoon. This is Ella from HTGD. Today I would like to give you a brief introduction of the TSE model. This is the fully automatic solar paste printer. Okay. Here, HTGD is the short name of our company. Okay. This machine is suitable for the minimum PCB size is the 50 millimeters by 50 millimeters, and the maximum is the 450 millimeters to the 350 millimeters. Okay. This machine has 4 types of the cleaning types. It's the dry type, wet type, and a vacuum type, and mixed 3 types I have mentioned just now together. Okay. And meanwhile, this machine is the low cost, okay, but it can produce many kind of the products like the Bluetooth and LED and the intelligent wearing. All of the electronics products you can see on the market, it can be used. Okay, so for more detailed information, you can contact with me. Okay, so thank you.